What's up, y'all? It's Mo, and today we have a plan with me in my everyday, regular, normal planner that I use. We are going to be using this Pride inspired kit that I have over on my Patreon page. I do also have a free version of a Pride kit. It's called Crafty Pride over on my blog. I'm showing you the Scribble Prints Co. Overlays I'm using right now, but it's over on the blog. And I was thinking to myself, you know what? I don't want to hide quality kits, especially when it comes to celebrating something so important. You know, I don't want to hide these like quality kits behind a paywall. That's not fair. So I had decided to make this, and then I was releasing it, and I was like, you know what, this is not fair. So there is a free version of this on my blog, and it is crafty stuff. There's like paintbrushes, there's some colored pencils, maybe, I think some embroidery floss. Like, it's just a crafty. I had Miss Maker in mind. I'm having trouble drawing my layouts here, but I had Miss Maker in mind when I was designing it for the blog. I kind of wanted the colors to match, so you could kind of use your Miss Maker stickers if you had them with it. And honestly, I think you can use any other type of stickers that you want, maybe as like to supplement, because it's very colorful, very rainbowy. So yeah, you guys know that I will leave a link also down below to the stencils I use to draw my layouts. Also, those are free. You guys know that I want to get stuff in your hands that you want, if that makes sense. Like, I want you to be able to plan the way you want, do what you want with the things that you have. So I guess that's what I'm getting at, is there's no reason to be, I don't know, keeping stuff. There's no secrets. I'm not trying to keep secrets, I guess. So I'm drawing out my layouts, and I just use my ruler to draw a horizontal line every 2.5 inches, so I know my long vertical boxes will fit. And I am on the hunt for a nice chef's kiss, ruler for my planner. I want it to be disc bound. I want it to be thick like this ruler is, and I want it to be, or disc punched, I guess, so I can just pop it in the back of my planner. This one, I love the plastic, but I have to stick it in the pocket, and I don't really like that. So if you know of a ruler, I haven't really tried anything from like Tool or Arc or anything, but if you know of a ruler that you absolutely love, please link it to me so I can go investigate, because everything from the Happy Planner is just like too flimsy. I don't like it. And this is just the perfect thickness, I don't know, of plastic for this ruler. I really love it. So I did get in the A6 spring bundle from Printpression. Loved it. Love everything about it. So excited to use the kit in it. And I pulled out this like tie-dye-ish washi and used it for this, for the bottom washi here. The kits that I have, the photo kits that I usually release, don't have any type of bottom washi or date headers or date covers or anything like that. But that kind of governed the fact that I was going to use then hollow foil for the accents. I used a rainbow foil over the full boxes, and then I'm using a hollow foil as like my scripts or whatever accent, because the Printpression washi had hollow foil on it. I'm also in a new setup. Let me know how you like it. I feel like there is a weird shadow. I don't think it's showing up in like videos filmed after this, but I have this like weird arm now, and it's not just a straight up tripod. And so I think there's just like a weird shadow going on. Let me know if there is, or if it's bothering you. And also it kind of wiggles, like if I press the stop button, the arm will wiggle, and then it's like a shaky video. I don't quite really like that, but I think I have it in a good place now to, I don't know, where it looks okay. So I have laid down all the boxes. I love this kit. I love this template. If you want to make your own stickers featuring this template, it's in the shop. But I use all of the stickers. This is like the most functional kit for me. There could be a few more things. They just won't fit on the sticker sheet. They just won't fit, you know, on the print and cut area of the Cricut Explorer. So I can't really include them. But I use all of the stickers in this set. I think I actually, do I pull in the colorful boxes. I don't think I pull in colorful boxes for this. I think it's another spread that I tried to film, but then it didn't come out right. So I have to master. I've also been using standard vertical kits in my long vertical, and I kind of have to master that. I tried to film it with the Scribble Prince Co. her like pool party pride or whatever it was kit, and it was a horrible fail. So I just deleted the footage, and then you'll just see that. And you'll probably see that in 2 flip throughs. You're gonna see it in my like setup. I think I have a setup video coming, so you're gonna see it. You're gonna see it before the pin and after the pin. But yeah, I've been using standard vertical kits, and so sometimes I have to pull in. Most times I have to pull in something else from the Happy Planner because I like the way that their checklists are. And so yeah, I think that was a tangent, but I love these kits. I think that I use everything that I need to use in them. And here I think I'm going through and choosing some headers to put down from the Scribble Prince Co. Wiggle. I think that's what they're called. I purchased a lot of Scribble Prince Co. foils way back in the way back. I think it was like not going out of business. Heck no. Like discontinuing, or like we're not going to sell this anymore, like last chance grab bag type of thing. And so I got a lot of rainbow, a lot of different colors, and it's been real fun to have this stuff as a resource, or I guess as a, I don't know, would you call it a resource? I don't know, as just stuff to plan with. I feel like I have a lot of tools, I guess, now to get creative in my layouts. So I just lay down these like rounded edge looking boxes. I really like the long vertical is my favorite. I like to leave space for actual functional planning. Not to say that any other planning style is invalid or anything, but I was using previously my planner for memory keeping and then like to-do list. And now I kind of am using it more functional as a planner. Like, this is what I'm doing for the day, this is what I need to get done on this day, this is what's happening on this day. And it's more like that and less like a memory keeper. So I've just been doing that, and I will use character stickers and whatnot. I love doing that. And so this is going to be more, it's still going to be hybrid, like what do you call it, like functional stickers and memory planning, but it's going to be more functional than it is memory planning, I believe. That's what I'm going for, at least. So I am just balancing out this spread. That's mainly what I do, is I just try and create balance on my page and then go from there. It's not like, I don't know, I think I've said this before in many planner videos, I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what is going in this box, because it is currently May 20th that I'm recording this voiceover. This is the first week. I think I filmed this a while ago, and this is the first week in June. I don't know what I'm doing in June. I mean, I know Monday's Memorial Day, but that's all I know. And so I don't know. I really love just creating a balanced spread. And oh, here is something that I really had fun doing. These like corner frame deco pieces from the Scribble Prince Co. kits. I put them on it gives it like a little doodle vibe. I think this would be really great. If you have Scribble Prince Co. stuff and you want to do the printable kit, maybe because it's artsy, these like little frames and stuff would look real cute. So I am just using the rainbow frames, the rainbow like frame accents to frame up my boxes and stuff. I think it looks really, really stinking cute. And I just go through with my tweezers and put them down. And these tweezers, again, I love these tweezers. They're like weighty, they're hefty, they're heavy, they feel nice in my hand, and they're from Origami Owl. They're when I used to do the Origami Owl jewelry stuff. And I just, the weight of them is perfect, and the length, and like, I don't know, all the grips, I just love it. And I wish I could find more of these. Maybe I should look on like eBay or something if anybody's selling them. I had a whole bunch. I had like 5, and then I gave some to Zach, and then I probably gave some away, and then I was like, I don't use tweezers for planning, and I do. I 100% do now. So I'm gonna have to look for some of those. I can't really tell if I am. Oh, I'm putting some bows. These are just holographic-y like type of bows, and there's a page flag type of dealio from that kit, and I think that adds a little bit of accent to the boxes as well. It's something I've not ever done before, but I think it adds a little bit of something fun to the layout there. And again, using the print impression washi like all over the place. I think I'm going to move into putting down my little bullet asterisk things, and I use those just to mark stuff. Like if I'm going to write something there, I will use it to write something there. Again, I use nearly every stinking piece of this kit. Every time, I think this is the most, for at least for my needs, the most well-designed kit I could have ever come up with. You kind of will end up with similar layouts each time if you want to use the stickers the most optimal way, I'd say. But I think you get everything that you need in this template. Like I said, it's in the shop. If you want to print these templates, I would test out the one that I have, the Crafty Pride that I have up on the blog right now. And then you can also you can go over to Patreon. So I have the sticker of the month, or sticker club, I'm going to call it. It used to be the printable of the month club, but now I'm doing a $5 tier for Patreon, or for my podcast, and that's also printables. But the sticker club there's a library there that is like maybe several years old, and I posted a printable every month for so many years, I can't even tell you, like 2-3 years. So for $3, if you join right now, for $3, you will get, like, I don't even know, at least 100, I would say, planner printables, because there's so many. And I'm changing this. I'm changing my printable of the month club, like I said, to the sticker club, because I'm just going to be posting stickers now. So for $3 a month, sticker library, multiple planner sizes. Most of the time it's happy planner. Sometimes it's standard or long vertical. Sometimes it's standard vertical. Sometimes it's, I think there's one like Hobonichi Weeks sticker kit over there. But yeah. And then if you do the $5 one, that is for printables for the podcast. And every week there's a podcast, and with nearly every podcast episode there's going to be a planner printable. So $5 a month unlocks that. I think there's probably at least 4 or 5 over there now, but $5 a month unlocks that, and then also the sticker club. So you're getting, you're getting a lot of stuff. I love Patreon because I guess maybe this is a Patreon hack, right? If you follow people that offer printable stuff and you're like, oh man, I don't know, I want to buy their kits, but maybe it's like too expensive or something like that, or you can't justify buying it one time, go to their Patreon, see if they have the Patreon. If they have a Patreon where they offer downloads and stuff, Seasons Yours is a person that I can think of that's like that. Lace and Whimsy as well. I think they still do their Patreon. But if they offer a printable thing, you can sign up for like the first month and then download everything if you wanted to. I mean, I would hope that you would like to stick around and get, your printable every month for a couple of months to support the things that I do. But I mean, it's a library. You can just subscribe and then download everything, and you have so many, at least in my case, so many stickers. So I'm using the some of the little like sparkly deco, it's like stardust kind of thing, to add a little bit of sparkle on some places here on my little Pride kit. I really like the Scribble Prints Co. I haven't gotten any of her new foils, but I really do like the old foils that she has. So yeah, I'm just decoing it out here, just using my little tweezers that I love so much. But yeah, I am going back into, everything's going to be long vertical from now on. You will see, hopefully I'll do a plan with me where I show you how I use standard vertical in my long vertical planner. But like I said, the Scribble Prints Co. one did not work out. It did not work out. And I've also been doing my like horizontal planning again in my work planner. I had a half letter work planner, and now I'm in a classic size work planner. So if you want to see inspiration for planning that way with standard vertical, I'll leave links to that as well. But it looks like I may be wrapping up this kit here. I'm going to pull out the things that I think I'm going to put in the back pocket of my planner that I may use during the week that this is like the active week, because I want to make sure I'm consistent, and obviously I want to use my stickers up. So it's really important for me to have a pocket in the back of my planner. So yeah, so here is the final spread. Like I said, absolutely love it. Looks gorgeous to me. I cannot wait to use this. I'm so excited. I'm going to put these stickers right in the back here. You can see I have some hollow there. I end up deciding I should do the weekend banner. I did that on one of my last spreads. I think the spread before this was from, I don't even remember, Planning Choco or something like that. And there was a weekend banner there as well. And I said, let me just heck and put this down. And I did, and I really liked it. So if ever I have two empty boxes that butt up against each other, then I put down the weekend banner. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. Make sure you check me out over on Instagram. It's at 5/16, and listen to the new podcast, the 516 podcast. I'll talk to you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.